In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter on your Ford Focus. It's located in your airbox. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove 4 bolts holding our airbox cover on. Bolts should stay in after you loosen them. Set that off to the side. And remove our air filter. Take it up from the back side and pull it out. Now we're going to pick this tab up off this rubber piece. Disconnect this. Put that off to the side. And we're going to take this harness out of this bracket. Just let that be free. We can disconnect this if you want, or you could leave it in there. It's up to you. I'm going to disconnect it just so I don't have a wire in my way. And put that over there. Install your air filter. Make sure you line your filter up, this edge, into the slot of the bottom of the air box. And put your cover on. As you slide the cover down, make sure it's lined up with the very edge of that air filter. Otherwise, this thing doesn't fit right. Once you get it lined up, you can tighten down your bolts. And the last one here.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.